Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by protecting your site. Make a full backup now so you can revert if needed. Once done, switch to a default theme or enable safe mode to confirm the theme is the problem, not a plugin. Next, clear any caches, theme cache, CDN, and browser cache, and reproduce the crash while noting exact error messages or timestamps. This gives you actionable logs, and it prevents wasted effort chasing symptoms caused by cached files. You now dig deeper. Enable debug mode and review server error logs to see PHP, JavaScript, or stylesheet errors. Then, deactivate all plugins and reactivate them one by one to detect conflicts. This isolates incompatibilities. Also, check that the theme supports your PHP and WordPress versions, and that required libraries or modules are installed. If you find a specific file causing errors, replace it from a clean copy. Otherwise, note the exact error lines for the next repair step. You finish by reinstalling a fresh copy of the theme or restoring known good files from your backup. This fixes corrupted files. Then, increase PHP memory limits and confirm correct file permissions, or roll back to a compatible WordPress or PHP version if the theme requires it. Test the site on multiple devices and browsers to confirm the problem is resolved. If it still stops, send the theme author the error logs and steps you took. That single detailed report often speeds up a fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.